Okay, I tell you, hi everybody. Show you how to clean your knife after you cut in the jackfruit. I have a milky stick under your knife. Just use paper towel with some cooking oil, the one you just want to use. Uh, excuse me, and then just clean it. It's oil mess is stick well away. This one kind of stubborn. You can get something like you cut today and try to make it stick in there, so it's more easy for you to clean. And you can get the dish soap and wash it with hot or hot water. Yeah, just be careful. Be careful on getting cut. I just suggest you get some. If you're afraid of getting cut, you can use hot water with dishwash, uh, dish liquid, shampoo, dish liquid, the one you wash the dish every day, shampoo. Uh, to clean it. Okay, it's clean now. Da, da, da. It's cooking more is good, but if you are, but be careful because your hand get the cooking oil and easy, easy to get lost control of the knife. So you have to be careful and do this slowly. It's the seller. Don't do fast. Okay, now it's clean. And you just to clean my hand too. Done. So thank you for watching. See you next video. That's how you clean the knife after cutting. Shiny and it's very shiny, right? Once again, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.